Hey guys, so we just made it to the top of the Dickey Ridge Trail in Front Row, Virginia, and got ourselves some rain.
A lot of rain. Maybe like the last 40 minutes has been nothing but hiking and rain. So we're pretty waterlogged. But we made it, and we got some pools.
Yeah, actually kind of really enjoyed hiking in the rain. Kind of gives you that kid energy that you have with just running in the rain, you don't care, and it's pretty glorious. Let me show you the view from the other side. Here we go. Look at that.
So normally out there are mountains.
Yeah, typically there's mountains out there. But we were really in the thick of it. I mean, this is nothing compared to what it was just like a few minutes ago. But isn't this a cool visitor center? They don't make anything like this anymore. This is all during, I forget which administration. I think they built all these national parks.
Rockefeller?
Yeah, Rockefeller, that era. So anyways, Roosevelt? Potentially Roosevelt. Okay, well, I guess we'll sign off for now.
Bye.
Bye-bye.